If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Doge, Babydoge, the baby of Dogecoin, or the baby of the meme coins and whatnot. So yeah, what's going on, what's happening with Babydoge? I've actually made Babydoge videos, 2, 3, 4 videos in the past. I used to trade Babydoge near these levels and whatnot. So right now, Babydoge, I don't know why, but I'm looking at so many bad patterns. Even on Bitcoin, I just noticed one on Babydoge at the moment. So I think we had this pattern known as a bad pattern where you had your X right there, you have this A, potentially some B here, and then the C, and potentially this is your D move to the downside. And I don't think Babydoge is looking to ever come down to 0.517. If it does come down there, you're going to lose this bad pattern, and that's actually a bullish pattern that can make this thing go back up to the all-time high, which is actually in effect, by the way. And you can see that after a long period of accumulation zone right over here, this is accumulation, it actually picked to the upside, and that was amazing move. So what is going to happen next for Babydoge? I think things are looking pretty pumpy right now. They're looking amazing. So let's continue on with the daily. The first thing is that you did have this pattern or a downtrend there that you actually broke out of. So when you broke that downtrend, you can see that you potentially were meant to move higher. So from the top to the bottom right here of the Babydoge, we picked this thing to the moon a little bit, and then it went from 1.18 all the way to 1.84, and that's almost like a 60-70% move to the upside. And it didn't stop there. You kept on making some bullish patterns, broke out of the bullish patterns. For example, there was another pattern like a rounded bottom right over here, and this was the place you broke out of, and then you continue to push even a little bit higher. Now the moment you're really overbought, I know, but it doesn't mean that you can, you're not going to continue higher. If things get bullish, they're going to get bullish. But I do notice something on the 4-hour time frame that may be interesting a little bit right now. So let's talk about this 4-hour time frame. So what do you guys think? Is this a double top being made right now? So you have this first top and the second top? Potentially, maybe. Because as far as I was looking at this pattern, I thought this was going to be a little bit of hold of support right there, but you didn't hold the support here. So you had this one resistance right there, and then resistance right over here. So if this is going to be your double top here, then we're looking for a neckline, of course, and you could potentially move down again to 2.7. And if you move to 2.7 from here, and I know there's too many zeros with this one, but right now you're just going to have to focus on the right side of the screen right now. Okay, so just ignore the zeros at the moment, and this can be your neckline if you do come down to. And you never know, because I cannot really tell you if this is a double top and you're going to move down. If that actually becomes a double top, then you're looking for a technical target from there to there, and then you even move lower to nearly 2.2 level, and right now you're trading at 3.1. so that's going to be some sort of a retracement to the downside. But if you try to make something like this and come down and bounce off here, move up and bounce off like this, then you're making a continuation pattern and breakout, and then continue higher and higher. Then you're looking for another leg up of a continuation move, which is known as a bullish rectangle. And this bullish rectangle takes you from the top here to the bottom right there, and you could expect Babydoge to make its way all the way up to even 6.9 level. And that's really huge. That's going to be absolutely big. So that's pretty much it for this update. Quick one on Babydoge. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.